What's up everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jayden, and in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the top 5 winning dropshipping products of December 2025. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably didn't take advantage of Black Friday and Cyber Monday that's coming up, but you still can take advantage of the Q4 wave by hopping on what's going to go hot at the end of the year around Christmas time. So I've already done all the dirty work for you. I made sure that all these products are currently trending, have high demand, but more importantly, low competition. So that way you can come into the market and start crushing it immediately. So if you're excited for the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. So with that being said, let's not waste up any more of your time. Let's go ahead and hop right into product number 1. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 1, we have these winter gloves, okay? And if you've been dropshipping for a while, you've seen this product before, okay? But this product comes up each and every single year, and it's a fantastic product. This is going to be more targeted towards frontline workers like construction workers and people that are just outside during the cold season. So what's really cool about this product is it's not like your typical glove where you can't use your iPhone. It's actually made to be able to use touch screens, so you can still use your phone while you're outside even when your hands are cold. Okay, so this is the product right here. You're going to be getting the product for around $13.54. I actually think you can source it for a little cheaper than this if you're using something like AutoDS. But this is going to be a fantastic product for you to be able to bundle and do different like buy one get one free deals, because people are going to want more than one of this, right? So they may buy one for their wife, or they may buy one for their husband, but they may have kids, right? So maybe they want to purchase multiples for their entire family. And if we check out AliExpress, you can just see that this product, 10,000 units sold. This one has 5,000 units sold, 5,000 units sold. I mean, you get the point. This product definitely has demand.
If you're looking for gloves that won't freeze your hands outside, these might be it for you. They're thermal heated and double insulated. They're also touchscreen, so you can use them at any time. It has a soft and warm inside, and they fit just right in your hand. They come in different colors as well, and right now they're having a sale on this, so you can get this for under 20 bucks with free shipping. So if you guys want to check it out, just click this link right here before prices go back up.
So as you just saw, that was an extremely good ad, very straight to the point. What I love is that it's really easy to make videos for this type of product. As you can see, he starts off with a really good hook of him just pouring the water onto the gloves and showing it just falling right off. So it's completely water resistant. You can use it with your phone, so on and so forth. But as we can see from the engagement, we're talking 10,000 likes, 100 comments, 4,000 saves, and over 3,000 people shared this to somebody else. So you're going to notice something about today's video is that a lot of these products are coming from TikTok Shop, and it's a strategy I've been using a lot lately because I'm taking the products from TikTok Shop and I'm running them on Meta because of the low competition. Also, you're not gonna be able to compete with a lot of the pricing on TikTok Shop, which is another reason that you're gonna wanna do this, okay? So if we check out the TikTok Shop page, and what I love about this is that I don't need any other tools. I can validate how the product's doing right from TikTok Shop, okay? So as you can see, 35.3 thousand units sold of this product. We can also click on the reviews. There's 1,000 reviews here. We can check out what people like about the product, what people also don't like about the product, so that way we can perfect on it. And then if we scroll up, we can also see it in action, and this is where all the videos are. So you can use something like Talk Downloader to download these videos without the watermark, rip them, and then make your own creatives and use them as ads on Meta. Really quickly, before we move on to the next product, I want to put you onto something that's helped me tremendously throughout my dropshipping career and has allowed me to be able to find winning products much faster, and also has helped my customer experience by allowing me to be able to get fast shipping times. Now, I've been using AutoDS for years to be able to find winning products much easier, to be able to source any product that I want, and to be able to fulfill any outstanding orders. Now, their handpicked product section allows you to see all the top products that are selling right now. All their team of experts do all the heavy lifting for you, so they check the virality of these products. They make sure that they're actually selling and that they have low competition. So if I was to click on one of these products right here, this right here is shapewear. I love shapewear because it's just a fantastic product. It sells really well, and it solves a massive problem and an insecurity. But if we bring up this screen right here, it's going to give us so much useful information. So it's going to tell us the potential profit of this product. It's going to give us how many orders it's gotten. So this one's gotten over 900 orders. It's also going to tell us the engagement score, which is based on likes, shares, things of that nature. So you know that there's actual engagement behind the product, which is really important. And then there's also a saturation score, which is amazing. So that way you know you're not selling a product that is being sold by way too many competitors. And this is actually in a perfect spot right now. You kind of want to be in that quiet quiet area where there's still some competitors out there. So you know that the product is actually having some traction, but it's not where it's like a full market situation where you're selling with so many different major brands. So it'll also give you the target audience. And then the best part, in my opinion, is the fact that it's going to give you the competitors and the social ads. So I can click on this and see a competitor of this product and get some inspiration. And I'm also able to download videos of my product right from AutoDS. So I can come over right here, click on the three dots, click on download. Now I can put these into my own editing software, bunch them up my own way, and then run them as creatives on Facebook or on TikTok ads. So that right there is AutoDS in a nutshell. Fantastic platform, something I've been using for a very long time. This is going to allow you to be able to have everything that you need to be able to have a successful dropshipping business. So if you're interested in trying this out, I actually have a special deal that you can't get anywhere else. You're going to be able to try this for 30 days. So if you go down the description, you'll be able to try this for 30 days for just $1. Product number 2 came up on my feed on TikTok, and I thought it was pretty interesting and something you probably would be surprised that people would want. Okay, so it's basically a warm fleece full mask. So it covers pretty much your entire face, and in those cold states and those cold countries, this could really be something of use to somebody. So as you can see, it has over 600 units sold, 4.7 star rating, 30 reviews. This section also comes down as well. Okay, so you can like open it up and be able to take a drink or just get fresh air, whatever the case may be. There's tons of different images that you can use for your site. Obviously, put these into ChatGPT, it'll make it 20 times better. Your site will look a lot more branded, and it also comes in a bunch of different colors. Okay, so make sure you have all the colors on your site. Looks like the cost of goods is around $18. You can definitely do like a buy one get one 50% off, something along the lines of that, because this is another product that people are going to want to purchase more than one for other family members. All right, so we're going to check out the competitor's video together. So as you can see, it says Fever Headband. Okay, can't play it because it has copyrighted music, literally Akon in the background, but Fever Headband is a marketing angle in itself, which is pretty creative. As you can see, he's just showing the quality, the different colors. He also showed that it covers pretty much every part of your head, even the neck once you pull it down, which is amazing. I know for cold states, I used to live in Chicago, which it would get like -20, -30 wind chill. So if you're outside, this would be definitely useful. And if we look at the numbers never lie. Okay, so 131,000 likes, 800 comments, 32,000 saves, and over 26,000 people shared this to someone else. So let's go ahead and check out the actual shop behind this. So if we click on the orange card, it's going to bring this up right here. We're going to be able to check out all of the information that we need for our product research. So to start off, as you can see, 54,000 units sold of this product, which is absolutely insane. 4.4 star rating. We check out the reviews. We can look to see how people are enjoying the product, what they're not liking about the product, and don't avoid negative comments. Negative comments are great. It's feedback for you to be able to come into the market and do things differently than your competitors. Now, again, I want to bring your attention to the pricing, and this is exactly why you're going to run these products on Meta, is because look, $11.99 for one with free shipping. You can't compete with that. Okay, so these products I'm showing you, run them on Meta. Okay, I want to make sure I make that very apparent. Okay, and also, again, if we come down to the bottom where we see it in action, there's tons of videos, guys, that we can go ahead and take and rip and use for our content, for our ads. All right, you guys, so for product number 3, we're actually going to be hopping on a trend, and this is actually a banger product, so stay tuned. So this right here is a quarter zip sweater, pullover, half zip, whatever you want to call it, right? So right now, I believe there was one guy on TikTok, I'm not sure how this blew up, but there's a guy on TikTok who made this like video, and he's basically just showing like, hey, I'm not gonna be dressing like a boy anymore and wearing like Nike Tech. I'm gonna start dressing like a man, and I'm wearing quarter zip. Okay, so the trend, the sound went viral, and then now it's like, oh, I'm not wearing Nike Tech, I'm wearing quarter zips. It's just another trend. It's like the 6'7" bullshit, but now we're talking about quarter zips, okay? And we're gonna hop on that. So this right here, again, is a quarter zip, comes in a bunch of different colors. Make sure you have the size chart on your site so that way you can limit some of those returns, especially since this is clothing. And you don't even need to specifically sell this one. There's so many different ones out there, different styles, different patterns, different like cloth. There's like fleece lined, quarter zips, like whatever you wanna do. This one right here is just the one that's popular on TikTok, and it's the one that's the most sold from what I could see.
We don't do Nike Tech, we don't do coffee. There's straight quarter zips and matches around here. He was talking about putting on a Nike Tech to come outside. I told him, what are you doing? You upgraded in like
All right, so you get the point. I mean, these videos are just like the same thing. Like, it's just a guy wearing the quarter zip and then they're acting all like fancy, bougie, like, you know, I'm going from a boy to a man, like type of vibe, okay? So we're gonna play off of that and do the exact same thing. There's so much content for this product, okay? So as you can see, here's another video that's doing the same thing. And if we go back to the video we were just watching, this video has 600,000 likes, 3,000 comments, 25,000 saves, and over 41,000 shares. And also I want to point out that this video was literally posted 11/13, so just a few weeks ago. So if you check out the TikTok shop for this product right here, as you can see, here is the exact same product that I just showed you guys on AliExpress, just in a different color. It's got a 3.9 star rating, 5.2K sold of this product. Again, this literally just started going viral maybe a few weeks ago, okay? So I expect that to pick up. And I believe I looked at this last week and it had around like 3,000 orders. So it's definitely starting to pick up. And if we scroll down to the reviews, most of the people that are leaving negative reviews isn't really about quality. It's more about they sent the wrong product or the wrong color, or it just didn't fit right and they need to size up. So that's typically expected with, you know, clothing type of products. And lastly, if we come down to the bottom, we're going to see all of the most high converting videos that are working for this product. So this one right here is the one that's converting the best. And then we can go through and we can just, you know, check these out, see which ones we want to rip and use for ads, and then copy the URL manually from their TikTok and then bring it over to a site called Talk Download. This will allow you to download as many TikToks as you want all in one go without the watermark. Product number 4 is really unique because it's just another iteration of an already existing product. So I always say, like, if they're creating more versions of the same type of products, it's because it works, right? So this right here is a mini hair straightener, okay? Literally will fit right in a woman's purse. It's like the size of an eggshell, almost like a little bit bigger than AirPods, right? It has Type-C interface, has good battery life apparently, okay? Multiple heating settings, comes in 2 different colors, comes in a pink and a black. And basically a woman can fix any flyaways, or if it rains a little bit, they can fix their hair on the go, okay? So that's kind of the angle you can take with this product. You're gonna get it for around $14.86, and you can easily sell this for something around like $39.99, $49.99, just depends on your branding. All right, so this video actually has some copyrighted music, so I'll play it with it off, but as you can see, every girl needs this in her bag. She pulls the straightener out of her purse. It has multiple different heating settings. You'll be able to see her actually brush it through her hair and then put it right back in her bag. So this is a product that would crush on TikTok. This is just, this product screams TikTok. It's very like an impulse purchase, okay? So it just says, I love this mini hair straightener. As you can see, it has 25,000 likes, 500 comments, over 10,000 saves, and literally the first 2 of 3 comments, how to order please. So you can see that there's definitely buying intent for this product. Now, if we head over to the competitor site, this is called Glam Brush. They're calling this the mini hair straightener. Definitely a drop shipping store. They're doing one for $34.95, and then they're doing a buy 2 for $60, which is not a bad deal at all. Looks like they're definitely using like the shrine theme. They have this like before and after picture, which I think would really do well for something like this. People are going to want to see before and afters for this type of product. Trusted by 3,000 different users. You can see there's a bunch of different videos of people using the product, so there's some social proof. Very basic product page, nothing too crazy, nothing that you can't come in and do 20 times better. And then they ended off with some reviews. So this is a fantastic product. I think it's super unique. When I saw it, I knew I wanted to share for the video because this is definitely something that is more so like a stocking stuffer, especially with Christmas time or right around the corner. All right, so for the 5th and final product on today's list, we're gonna be sticking with the beauty niche, beauty tools type of vibe. This is gonna be a fantastic gift come Christmas time as well. This right here is a red light therapy brush. It's also called an electric hair regrowth brush because you can actually put essential oils into the device and, you know, regrow your hair back. So that's another marketing angle you can kind of take with this product. But as you can see here, if we go to this picture, this is where you'll actually put your own essential oils, okay? And then as you can see, it has the red light therapy technology. Now what's really cool is it also massages your hair. So in the video I'm going to be showing you, while the woman's brushing her hair, the bristles actually move and massage your scalp, which is another like benefit that you could kind of put into your marketing. Like, you know, it triggers the hair follicles, which will make your hair grow back, you know, stronger and healthier, like whatever you want to do. So let's just check out the video so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But over 800 units sold. There's definitely demand for this product. There's a ton of engagement, ton of content online that you can use as well for your ads. And then the reviews are also really good.
This scalp massager does red light therapy. It literally massages your scalp, and you can put whatever oil you want into this cap and it secretes through these pins while you are putting it through your hair. There's one of these scalp massagers going around that's like $200. Don't get it. This one does the same exact thing, and it's under like $50 right now.
All right, so you get the point. And why I like this product is because there's so many different angles for this, guys. It's just like, you know, it's a hair straightener. It does, you know, it massages your scalp. It's a red light therapy brush. There's just so many different angles you can tap in that you can really stand out from your competition, okay? So we're going to be checking this out on TikTok Shop. This is where I actually was recommended this exact video, okay? So on TikTok Shop, they're selling it for $26.82. Obviously, I don't think you can compete with that. You're going to have to run this on Meta, okay? And you should be able to sell this for, you know, probably like $50, okay? $50 is a pretty good price for these type of tools. You'd be very surprised that a lot of these companies like Beach Waver, for example, will sell a hair straightener for $200, and that's just because it's the Beach Waver name. They are able to sell that because of their branding, okay? If you can see from right here, it's got a 4-point star rating. It also has 2,348 units sold, so there's definitely demand. We saw that that video had a ton of engagement, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see other videos as well. So 235,000 plays on that video, 169,000 plays on that one, 61,000 plays. There's tons of content, guys, that you can take, rip, and then make your own creatives with. So there's definitely not a shortage of content. Now, I just want to show you how hot red light therapy actually is. I went to Google Trends, typed in red light therapy, changed it to the past 5 years, and you can see since, 2021, it has steadily increased upwards until literally right now, where it is just on a peak. So this is definitely a product that is trending in the right direction. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. That right there is my top 5 winning dropshipping products of December 2025. And it's actually mind-blowing that this is the last one of the year, okay? That means we've already done 12 of these, which is mind-blowing. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to continue the series going into 2026. But as always, when you guys are watching this series, take this as inspiration. Take this as a insight into my mind of what I'm thinking about and the type of products that I'm choosing, so that way you can make the best decisions for yourself. You got to remember, thousands of people are actually watching these videos. So if you see a product on today's list that you want to test, I recommend that you go at it as fast as you possibly can, especially since we're still in the Q4 season. But anyways, I would greatly appreciate it if you can drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Your support is always appreciated. And also, if you're somebody that's completely new to dropshipping, or you just haven't gotten any results with the business model, I want you to go down to the description and check out my beginner-friendly program, Unlimited Ecom Academy. It's a full A to Z dropshipping program that's going to teach you everything that you need to know to get from $0 in sales and not knowing what the hell you're doing to getting to 10K a month, okay? And if you're interested, that link will be down in the description. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night. Have a great holiday, and I'll see you guys next time.